Welcome back, everyone. We're out in the chicken run today, and if you have chickens, I got a major tip for you. It has been so dry and so hot that we haven't been able to sprout anything out in this chicken run. You can just see all their compost is dry. Everything's flat. We just keep throwing veggies and new stuff on top. I got all these chickens gathering around because I've got their wheatgrass, their wheat berries. They absolutely love the fresh wheat berries that we grow. We actually had winnowed these for ourselves. We're gonna make bread out of this. But another thing you can do with wheatgrass that you grow is make fresh grass. These chickens will tear that apart. So I'll pop it up, let them take a few. And as you can see, they came through and they basically just mowed all this right down. This is a very easy way to keep your chickens happy, healthy, and entertained. And you notice I put this in a shady corner of our run here because it has been dry and hot. So we've been watering this every other day or so, just giving it a little spritz. This is about a week and a half of growth. This is pretty wild. This little guy likes to be the center of attention. So we always grow all these wheat berries for this purpose. These chickens absolutely love them. I had to give them a few just to keep them from attacking and squawking and squawking. You can't even hear me over them. That is happy chicken noises though. They have plenty of compost to run. They're always busy. And this, they come through and they'll step on this and lower it closer to the grass, and then they'll pull some out. So they can pull the roots out also. We just continually throw a handful of seeds in there, or wheat berries, and we throw a little compost on top, just water it in and let nature do its thing. The wheat berries sprout very easily. They grow very easily also. So growing it and harvesting it for yourself and for your chickens is pretty easy to do. She's really trying to get it there. I normally don't feed them all just wheat berries all the time. We like to grind these up, we like to mix it, and we don't like to feed them cracked corn in the summer because cracked corn creates heat inside a chicken's body and helps heat them up. So we like to save the corn for the winter time. And another thing we do with all these wheat berries is we grow fodder in the winter with all of the berries we save from growing over summertime here. I just wanted to share this little tip of using all of this recycled old wood, this recycled fencing, to create a good purpose and feed our chickens. You can see that they got fresh ground they're tearing up out here, trying to get underneath from both sides and not let them destroy the whole clod of grass, because we like to move this around their run usually in order to sprout new clots of grass all over for them to tear up and create new life and bring in new life for them also. So that was our little chicken tip. I'm gonna put this up and I'm just gonna let some chicken TV roll.